I'm sorry, it's a townhouse today. Today we're doing a townhome tour. It's actually the first one for, I don't know if y'all gonna see this during Vlogmas because my time and editing has not been going well. So you might see this either before the new year or after, but either way, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, all the holidays. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday, and 2022 will be really good to you all, including myself. So I'm going to tour a townhouse today. It has, the ones we're looking at will all have 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Some will have a garage, some will have a screen-in porch, but I just wanted to make sure that I let you guys know that I don't say the prices simply because prices change depending on the market. So I'll leave the links and everything to the community and everything so that you guys can see it, but I won't say prices because I don't want to tell you price and then that's not the price when you get there. So make sure that you are liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel because I do have more apartment tours coming up, just a matter of when I get to edit them. But I will leave all my links to my social media down below so that you guys don't miss out on anything, because I will be showing a little bits and pieces of what I got coming up on my stories or on my channels or pages or whatever, just so that you guys will stay up to date. So make sure you are following me on social media because I would love to have you guys and have you here on this channel. But the ones we're viewing today, they're really, really pretty. They're higher end, but you're getting a townhome, so you know, do with that what you will. But it is in like the Pineville South End sort of area, which is like 8 minutes from Valentine. So yeah, you're gonna get a lot of amenities and just really, really beautiful space. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into the video. Okay guys, so of course we were talking our heads off. This first unit that we're looking at is called the Adirondack. It's 1,675 square feet. It's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. When you enter near the 2-car garage with that little storage closet. And as you go up the steps, you walk right into the kitchen. Sorry, that little bell you hear is my cat who does not care that I'm recording. So you walk right into the kitchen, which has this beautiful island, stainless steel appliances, you know, the works. Quartz countertops. And it has, like I said, a 2-car garage. One pulls in, the other pulls in behind it. So you have space for 3 cars because one will be parked outside the garage. This is the half bathroom. This is the little wine area that it has next to the little half bath. I'll show you guys later that the other units actually have a wine cooler, which was really nice. Everything in here was just nice. The hardwood flooring, everything was just beautiful. I like that it had the little bathroom, and it had the mirror and the window above it. That was really nice. And I like that the patio was right off of the kitchen. So that was a really nice touch to have the balcony right there. This townhouse, I'm sorry, I keep calling them units because I'm so used to looking at apartments out here. But this townhouse, it really did cross off all of my checklists personally. Aside from like the fixtures being chrome, which was just weird to me. I don't know, the handles were black on everything, but the fixtures were chrome. A little weird, but nice space for a dining room table. Oh, sorry. And a nice space open for a living room. It had nice recessed lighting. You are allowed to mount your TVs, and you just have to, you know, paint. If you wanted to paint, you have to just paint before you leave. Stacked washer and dryer upstairs, which was really nice to have upstairs. This is the master bedroom. Windows all around. It was really nice, like light all the way around. And this is actually the closet. Very nice size closet. Comes with shelves already. It's just really, really nice. And then I'm going into the bathroom. I love the floors in this bathroom. And I love that the drawers were in the center. That was a nice touch. And to have the double vanity. And that's the bathroom to the left. I'm sorry, the toilet to the left. And that door, which was a nice added feature to this unit. This was probably one of my favorite ones. One that I didn't look at was called the Pyrenees. And that one was probably, would have been my favorite one just looking at the floor plan. Oh, and there's no door right here yet. It's because it's like, this whole place is brand new. You'll be the first one living in there. But that rainfall shower head and that one that's attached to the wall comes in every townhome, which was really, really nice. That bathtub, if you get, it's certain bathrooms have certain tubs, because some do have like the garden tubs and everything that goes with it. But I love these. This bathroom had the double framed mirrors. We're just going down the hall into the next bedroom and bathroom. So this is the other bathroom with the garden tub, as I was saying. Some have the garden, some has the standard tub, which was fine because, I mean, you figure you have a shower in that one as well. It was still nice. You still get the garden tub experience. So, and this bedroom was also a nice size, and the closet was a nice size. That's a nice long closet. So, also has the double shelves. It's just a nice experience in this home. I'm sorry that the camera is shaking. My stabilizer, I don't know why, it just would not calm down. Like, it never chilled out. So I ended up taking it off. So you'll see that in a second. I just take it off and I just end up holding it without that. But I was trying to make the video stable. I apologize. But listen, technology does not always work. It's wonderful when it does. Oh, and upstairs also had a linen closet or coat closet or whatever you need it for. Tons of storage here. Because even on the side of the garage inside, it had little cutouts where you could actually store things. So it was really nice. And as we're leaving that townhouse, we're headed to the Redwood. And I just wanted to tell you guys really quick a couple of amenities that this place offers. It has a 24-hour fitness center, a saltwater pool, which is year-round, but of course it's cold, so I don't see anybody in there. There's a dog park on the premises as well, a complimentary fitness center with classes that they provide for you for being a resident. Splash pool, which is like a small pool for the children, a car washing station, an outdoor kitchen with gas grills, community green area, and playgrounds. Some of the things about these units, townhouses, is they offer 9 and 10 foot ceilings, built-in wine storage, court counters, walk-in showers with shower bench, and attached garages and driveways, patios, and balconies as well. This kitchen is pretty similar to the other one, except that it has the wine situation on this side when you first enter into the kitchen. I love that window next to it. I'm not even gonna lie, that was like really nice, like a nice touch to this unit, as well as the wine refrigerator, wine cooler. Is just, that little section was really nice. All of the pendant lights and the light fixtures, they're all the same throughout all of the units. So that part is not going to change. The washing machine and dryer situation, some are stacked, some are front loads, some are top loads. So it just depends on the type of unit that you get. This unit did not have a garage, but it had the screened in porch. So as you see here, you get a nice size screened in patio. It's really nice. Then the half bath, of course, is downstairs. I just came back inside. Half bath is downstairs, framed mirror as well. No cabinet under that sink, but it was still really nice. And it had a nice size storage closet down there for maybe your Christmas tree or your cleaning supplies, whatever you want to use it for. Again, nice open area into the dining room, living room area. Don't mind this. That is also a coat closet, but I will be giving you a good view of the downstairs area. There we go. But I will show you again as I come back downstairs. Each one of these units did have an upstairs downstairs situation, which was really nice because I don't mind steps if I'm in the house. And this unit has the front load washers and dryers, which was fine because either way it's still included. So if anything was to go wrong, they would come out and fix it. But it is a good front load washer and dryer. As we're going down the hall, I believe this is the master suite. It is. It's the master, and it's a nice size room as well. This unit has, let's see how many square feet the Redwood has. Oh, again, 1,675 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. This one has the shower door that I was saying the other one didn't have. So this bathroom is basically a lot like the other one, except that there's no door to the toilet. Same rainfall shower head. Everything about these places, they were really nice. And you're getting to rent a townhome. And it's called, again, the Townhomes at Bridlestone. And it's actually in Pineville, which was really nice. Look at this closet. Look at these shelvings in this closet. It's beautiful. You can pay for this from IKEA if you want, but they already have it right here. And this one had a cabinet in the bathroom, which was a really nice touch to change the layout. Just, I guess if you want to make it be a different layout, just add a cabinet in the bathroom and a screen on the patio. This is the second bedroom. Nice size bedroom. There's also a closet. Again, we were talking. Sorry, my camera was still acting crazy. I was trying to get it together, but I want y'all to see that I'm trying to get it, but it just does what it wants. This is the closet. It also has the shelves in it. There we go. You see that. And this bathroom connects to, this bedroom connects to the bathroom. Garden tub in this bathroom as well. Nice size bathroom. Nice mirror. Cabinet space. It's just a lot of cabinet space in this townhouse. It had a lot. I think it had more than the other one, to be honest, because the other one didn't have the cabinet in the bathroom, not in the master at least. And this is the third unit. This one is called, let's see what this one's called. It has a 1-car garage instead of 2. So you will still get 2 spaces to park your car because one can park in the driveway. This one is called Belle Isle. 1,816 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. So when you walk in, you walk into this like empty area because this is not your living room, but it could be a den or office space, and it's really nice. Like I could see a nice entryway table there, like a little couch set up, maybe a reading area. When you walk up these steps, you walk right into the kitchen. I love the kitchens. They sell me every time. Now, this kitchen is identical to the first one, which was called the Adirondack. It's a very similar kitchen. Like, I mean, nothing different really. Side has the little bathroom as well. Just really nice. Patio. This one is not screened in, but it's still really nice. I'm sorry, I was trying to get outside. There we go. Nice patio, nice kitchen, all the appliances, drawer space, cabinet space. That refrigerator was a really nice one. And they talk about 24-hour maintenance being on staff. Maintenance lives on site. So that was another plus for this place. And it does have like that same, like I said, living room area, but it has like the little cutouts, as you can see. There's little dips in the corners. You can do different things there and like really have it really, really nice. Wine racks over there. It's just really good. And now we're going to head upstairs. So again, as you walk up, you walk right into the washer and dryer. Now this one was stackable and it is a front load, and then you have the little shelf on the side. So this one had a little bit of storage in there. So that made it really nice. And I do like how they have the double doors for it. It just makes it look really good. I believe this is the master. Let's see, I can tell about the closet. But this was the no, I think this was the guest room. Well, the second bedroom. This was the second bedroom. It had the dual entry to the bathroom, which had the garden tub, as all the other ones do. Nice size sink, cabinet space, the vanity. It's really nice. I can't say it enough. The whole thing was nice. And if y'all notice, I'm pointing it down a little bit because the gentleman, I did not want to put him on camera because he did not say it was okay. So I made sure that I did not show him. This is the master bathroom and bedroom. Double sinks. Beautiful shower. Look at that. With the bench. Toilet is exposed in this one. And a tub as well. And his bedroom is a really nice size. As y'all can see, I'm walking across for a while. And that is a nice size closet. Like, I could work with that size closet. I mean, I have a lot of stuff, but it would be doable. Now, these are townhomes, again, as I said, and they are for rent. And this one has another little closet. I would just put my shoes or something here. I'll put like racks to have just a shoe closet. It will look nice. And that's really it. We're going to wrap this back up. So I'm going to say my goodbyes here. Thank you all for joining me. I hope you enjoyed these tours. Everything will be linked down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Like I said, I did the best I could with this tour because my stabilizer was not working. And I was trying not to put the gentleman on camera. But these are beautiful places. The area is nice. You're not far from a lot of things.